Hi there. Today, just a quick thing for all you guys using HDAs in Unreal and wanting the nanite to to be enabled. Uh, I tried different solutions. I tried with attribute create with Unreal nanite enable. Wasn't working. I tried with attribute wrangle on detail, integer Unreal enable, not working. I tried with primitives, not working. What was working for me is this. I will copy this uh, in the video description so you guys have it. So at the end of your HDA, whatever HDA you have, before your output, you just put an attribute wrangle, detail only once, sorry, with this thing that I will put in the description, and it should work. When you go to your Houdini, when you go to your Unreal, I was having all of my things here, but we can do on this one, which is not here, as you can see. It's not an nanite thing. I do rebuild, because now I have, sorry. Before the rebuild, I didn't have this, so it was straight like this, with nothing. Now that I have this, I can rebuild my HDA. Hopefully I don't crash. I have 8 gigs of VRAM, so might be crashing. Okay, you see it's not working, you can say, but it is. Just save. Save here. Voila, now is a nanite thing. So this is how you enable nanite for your HDAs without going every time into the fucking thing here, open it,